we envision this for the community to serve. Kasi nag-umpisa sa clinic, tapos nakita namin yung potential, kapag nagre-request sila ng laboratory, lalabas pa sila, so tas makabalik ulit, ang layo.
3, 2, 1, cut the ribbon! Congratulations! Ano ba mga kabalin? Welcome to Fernando Pampanga. Para sa video na to guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Bulaon, Pampanga, and we were invited by One Care, katabi ng ating Meeting Grounds Coffee House. So yun guys, this is a newly opened medical center. If you are in need of their services, we're gonna check them out. Tatang natin kung ano yung mga medical services na probably or might na kailangan nyo po. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go!
Hello, I am Dr. Clarissa de Maliwat, a pediatrician and a co-owner of One Care Medical and Diagnostic Laboratory Clinic. We basically cater every laboratory test from as simple as CBC to patients with hypertension, example yung lipid profile, and yung diabetic patients to monitor their sugar levels, those with hyperthyroid. We also have a doctor's clinic. Currently offer internal medicine, pediatric, also have OB and ENT as well. We have 3 ENTs on board now. So, Dr. Sayoto, Dr. Di Maliwat, and Dr. Bayon. For the internal medicine, we have Dr. De Leon. He also specializes as gastroenterologist. And Dr. Bautista, a co-owner and also a pediatrician. Ang envision namin dito is once na nagpa-consult yung sick, especially the sick kids, mayroon na tayong naka-standby na laboratory para ma-follow up na rin agad na sa doctor nila. We operate 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. daily, Monday to Saturday. If you're in need of health services, please do visit us here in Bulaon.